Our first problem from our homework last night was 50 divided by 3. 50 is a 2-digit number, so I'm going to make a rectangle. I'm going to put a line in the middle so that I have 2 boxes, and I'm going to put the 50 into my rectangle. The 5 in the first box, the 0 in the second box. And we're making 3 groups. So again, to help me out, I'm going to write my 3 song on the side so I don't have to remember it. I can just check my paper. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. These are my 3s. Next time, won't you sing with me? Well, that's good, Bella. That's why we're going over them. Homework is practice for us. We want to get better at something, right? All right. So, like the other problems, I start with the box closest to my groups. I have 3 groups, which means I'm going to start with the box that has my 5. I've got 5 pieces and 3 groups. If I go around to each one of my 3 groups and I give them 1 piece, I would give away 3 pieces. Bella, do I have enough pieces in this first box to give away 3 of them? Yeah, I do. Okay, if I go around again and I give all of my groups another piece, I give away 6. Bella, do I have enough pieces here to give away 6 pieces? No. I don't have enough for 6, but I do have enough for 3. So all of my groups can get just 1 piece for now. 1 piece for all of my groups. And if I go around and I gave all of my groups that 1 piece, that means I had to give away or take away 3 of my pieces. So Bella, what's 5 minus 3? After this, Nakai. 2. Very good. Now this is where I check. This is where I can make sure that I haven't made a mistake yet. If I have 2 pieces left, Bella, but I have 3 groups, is 2 smaller than 3? Yeah. So if this is smaller, then I know I don't have enough to go back and give my groups any more pieces. Kylie, let's make sure we're focused, okay? It's very pretty, but let's go over our math first. All right, so my 2 wasn't enough to give my groups more. I'm not going to leave it by itself. I'm going to let it come hang out with the 0. So now instead of 0, I have 20. 20 pieces in this box. That's plenty to start giving some away to my 3 groups. So I'm going to do the same thing. Remember, I just repeat the same steps over and over again until I finished my division problem. I've still got 3 groups, but this time I've got 20 pieces. So I'm going to go around and start giving away some pieces. If I go around and give every group 1 piece, that means I gave away 3 pieces. Alexa, do I have enough in the second box to give away 3 pieces? Okay, if I do it again and give them another piece, that's 6. Do I have enough to give away 6 pieces? All right, if I do it again, that's 9 pieces. Can I give away 9 pieces from the second box? Yeah. If I do it again, that's 12 pieces. Do I have enough here to give away 12 pieces? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to give them another piece. That's 15. Can I give away 15 pieces from this box? How many do I have here? 20. If I have 20 pieces, can I give away 15? Do I have enough to do that? Yeah, because I've got more than enough, right? Let me try to give away a little more. If I give all of my groups another piece, that's 18. Do I have enough in this box to give away 18 pieces? Yeah. All right, let's try another. If I go around again one more time, that's 21 pieces. Do I have enough in here to give away 21 pieces? No, 21's too much. So I could only give away this many. That means every single group gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. That's not too bad. 6 pieces for all of my groups. And if I go around and gave them each 6 pieces, that would mean it's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 18 is how many pieces I gave away. Alexa, if I had 20 pieces and I gave away 18, how many pieces would I have left? Two more pieces. All right, I'd have to check again. Alexa, is 2 smaller than 3? Yeah, so I know that there's no way I can give my groups another piece because I don't have enough for it to be equal. So my answer is that every group can get 16 pieces and I have some left over. What do we call the leftovers in math? Or sorry, in division. Nakai, what do we call them?
Remainders.
Remainders. So every group got 16 pieces and there was a remainder of 2 pieces that were left over. Now some of you, if mom or dad is helping you out with the homework, they might show you like with decimals. In 4th grade, we don't really work with decimals. We just have remainder. Okay? So whatever is left over after I finish my boxes, that's it. Those are just leftover pieces, remainders. Because in 4th grade, we don't go into decimals with division. Okay? So it either splits up evenly and perfectly, or we have remainders, leftovers. All right, that was our first problem. Let's look at problem 2. 12 divided by 2. Yeah, remainders is how we want to do it. Division with decimals is not something we really work with in 4th grade. When you get up into the higher grades, you might do some division with decimals, but in 4th grade, we don't go into the decimals for division. We don't work with decimals till later in the year. Okay, so 12 is also a 2-digit number. So I'm going to make my rectangle, draw the line down the middle, and put one number in each box. 1 and the 2. Haley, let's make sure we're focused. And this time I don't have 3 groups, I have 2 groups. So I'm going to write my 2's times table here on the side to help me out. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. I'm still doing division, which means I still need to be equal and even and fair to both of my groups. I can't have one group with tons of pieces and one group with no pieces. Nakai, I always start with my first box here. So Nakai, if I go to both of my groups and give them 1 piece, I would give away 2 pieces. Do I have enough to give away 2 pieces out of the first box, Nakai? Is there enough here in the first box to give away 2 pieces? How many do I have in this first box, Nakai? Oh, no. I only have 1. If I have 1 piece, I can't give away 2. Because 2 is bigger, right? So my poor groups can't even get one piece out of the first box. Don't cry. I know it's sad, but not out of the first box. But we can try with the second one. So they didn't get any pieces. 0 pieces from the first box. I couldn't give away any. So Nakai, what's 1 minus 0? 1. And Nakai, just to check, make sure we didn't make a mistake, is 1 smaller than 2? Yes, it's smaller than 2, so I know that I didn't make a mistake. I know that I can't give away any more pieces to my 2 groups. I don't have enough. I'm not going to leave the 1 alone. I'm not going to let it be lonely. I'm going to let it come hang out with the 2 in the second box. Now I've got 12. I've got 12 pieces and I've got 2 groups. So let's see how many pieces I can give away. 12 pieces. If I go to both groups and I give them 1 piece each, that means I gave away 2 pieces. Jaylene, do I have enough in my second box to give away 2 pieces?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, let's see if I can give away more. If I give both groups 2 pieces, Jaylene, that's 4. Can I give away 4 pieces from the second box?
Yes.
All right, let's try again. If I give them another one, that's 6. Can I give away 6 pieces from my second box?
Yes.
Okay. If I give them another, that means that I would need 8 pieces. Can I get 8 pieces out of the second box?
Yes.
All right. Try a little more. If I gave them another, I would need 10 pieces. Can I get 10 pieces out of the second box?
Yes.
Okay. A little more. If I give them each another one, that would need 12. Can I get 12 pieces out of the second box?
Yes, but then you'll have...
Perfect. So I know I need to stop. If I give away all 12 of my pieces, I already know I can't give away any more. So we could give away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces to each of my groups. 6 pieces each. And if I give them each 6 pieces, that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 pieces I gave away. And Jaylene, I know you already said it, but what's 12 minus 12? 0. I'd have nothing left, which is fantastic for division. That's exactly what I want. I don't want leftovers in division. I want everything to be equal and even and perfect. So every single group was able to get 6 pieces and there's no remainders. There's nothing left over. All right. Last of our homework problems was 82 divided by 5. 82 is also a 2-digit number. I'm going to make sure that my rectangle is split into 2 pieces. The 8 goes in the first piece. 2 goes in the second piece, or the second box. And I'm not making 3 groups. I'm not making 2 groups. I'm making 5 groups this time. So I'm going to write my 5 times tables here on the side. That's good, Nakai. I'm glad to hear that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Yes, Jadine. Oh, you ready? All right. Help me out then. All right. Jadine, I've got 8 pieces in the first box. I have 5 groups, right? Okay, so if I go around and I give every group 1 piece, I'd give away 5. Do I have enough pieces in this first box to lose 5? Yes, okay. If I go and give them another piece, that means I would need 10. Can I get 10 pieces out of my first box? No, I can only give all my groups 1 piece. Just 1. And if I give those 5 groups each 1 piece, that means I gave away 5. And Jadine, what would I have left? What's 8 minus 5? 3. All right. And again, just to check so we don't make mistakes, Jadine, is 3 smaller than 5? Yes, so I didn't make any mistakes. I gave away as many as I could. Jadine, you weren't kidding. You really were ready for that part. Okay, I don't want the 3 to be lonely. So I'm going to let it come hang out in the second box with the 2. And I have 32. Okay, so I've got 32 pieces in my second box. Let's see. Who hasn't had a chance to help me out today? Ezekiel. Help me out with my second box, Ezekiel. Okay, I've got 5 groups. If I go and give every group 1 piece, that would mean I need 5 pieces. Ezekiel, do I have enough in the second box to get 5 pieces? Okay, I'm going to go around and give them another piece, Ezekiel. I would need 10. Can I get 10 pieces out of the second box?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to do it again. Give them each another piece, and that's 15. Can I get 15 pieces from the second box? All right, if I do it again, I would need 20. Can I get 20 pieces out of the second box? Ooh, we got a lot in the second box. If I give them another, Ezekiel, that's 25. Can I get 25 pieces from my second box? All right, I'm going to give them another. It's 30 pieces. Do I have enough to get 30 pieces out of the second box?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to do it again. 35 pieces. Ezekiel, can I get 35 pieces out of my second box? No, that's a little too much, right? I can't go all the way to 35, but I can go to 30. That means that every single group got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. And if I gave each of my 5 groups 6 pieces, that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 pieces that I gave away. Ezekiel, what's 32 minus 30? Two. Awesome. And now I have to check. Is 2 smaller than 5, Ezekiel? Yes, so I didn't make any mistakes. I gave away as many pieces as I could. We did it. So every single group got 16 pieces, and then who can tell me, what do we call that leftover part again? In division, the leftover part is called a what? Jada? It's not called a Jada, but what do we call it?
Remaining.
A little bit louder, Jada? A remainder. Very good. So remaining, Ezekiel, is what it is. We can say that we have 2 pieces remaining, but the name for them is remainder. So 16 with a remainder of 2. You all did really good with the division today. Take your hand, kiss your brains. Very, very good job. We'll practice some more division next week.